If you've been searching for a reliable print-on-demand service, you might have stumbled upon Printful, but does it really live up to the hype? Let's dive into what makes Printful tick and whether it's worth your time and money. Printful is a print-on-demand platform that allows users to create and sell custom products without holding any inventory. You can design everything from t-shirts to mugs and have them shipped directly to your customers. The user interface is pretty straightforward, making it accessible for both beginners and experienced sellers. Once you set up your designs, the integration with e-commerce platforms like Shopify and Etsy is seamless, which is a huge plus. However, while the setup process is user-friendly, there are some areas that could use more clarity. For instance, the pricing structure can feel a bit convoluted at first glance. Plus, you might find that some products have longer production times than you'd expect, which can be a concern if you're trying to fulfill orders quickly. Overall, Printful does deliver a solid service, but it's important to understand the nuances before diving in. Let's break down some pros and cons. On the plus side, Printful offers a wide range of products and high-quality printing, which can really enhance your brand's image. Their integration capabilities with major e-commerce platforms are also a strong point, making it easy to manage your store. On the flip side, there are some frustrations. The shipping costs can add up, and there are instances where production times are longer than anticipated, which could disappoint customers expecting quick delivery. Additionally, while they have a good support system, the response time can vary, leaving some users in the dark at critical moments. If you're looking for a completely hands-off approach, Printful might not suit you, but if you're willing to navigate its intricacies, it could be a valuable tool. In summary, Printful is a solid choice for those looking to step into the print-on-demand world, especially if you value product quality and integration ease. However, if rapid fulfillment and transparency in pricing are crucial for you, it might be worth exploring alternatives. Overall, it's definitely worth a try, but go in with your eyes open.